Grover has spoken at numerous national conferences and also at Harvard Law School 3 years ago to rave reviews, and we're so pleased to invite him back to speak to a new generation of HLS students. So thank you very much, Grover. I'm going to turn it over to you. And this is the book. If any of you are interested, we do have copies in the Office of Career Services, but I'm sure you can also find them online.
Yes, thank you very much. Good afternoon. It is really cold here. I guess I don't need to tell you that. We're going to start with New Lawyer Wheel of Fortune. Here's the puzzle. What you want a senior lawyer to be able to do when a project is on your desk. Who can solve it? Five more seconds.
Sleep at night.
Sleep at night. Who was that? Awesome. I have a mug as your prize with a very helpful saying, keep calm and litigate on, and a couple of Baby Shark stress balls. Sleep at night. If a senior lawyer is able to sleep at night when you're responsible for a project, that means you have earned that lawyer's trust. And that will get you more work and more complex work, and that's how you will enhance your own skills and be more valuable to senior lawyers and to clients. And that's ultimately your goal. I know you know this. It's in the rules of ethics. But I cannot caution you enough about keeping your mouth shut about client confidentiality. You will learn juicy things about your clients. They will do stupid things. I mean, thank God clients do stupid things because that keeps everyone employed. But you need to keep it to yourself. And even if you're just in a bar talking with your friends, if you talk about things that your clients have done, what you're telling your friends inadvertently is that they should not refer work to you because you can't keep your mouth shut. So don't talk about your client and don't judge your client. Finally, I'm going to talk a little about Facebook. And one of my favorite sayings is that what happens in Vegas stays on Facebook. But this story is about Santa Fe. And in 2010, the ABA Young Lawyers Division asked me to speak at its conference in Santa Fe. And the ABA Young Lawyers Division had a Facebook page that it used to let lawyers RSVP for the conference, and they could connect with each other before the conference. 3 days before the conference, I went onto the Facebook page to see if there was anyone there that I might know or whatever. And I want to show you the actual profile picture of one of the lawyers who is attending the conference. This stayed up for 3 days. And it's supposed to be a joke about how addictive Facebook can be. But obviously this person did not get the joke. And I just want to remind you that when you graduate, your actions will reflect on your employer. And you always need to stop and think. It's so easy with mobile phones. It's so easy to post things that can get you in trouble. I've seen all sorts of things on Facebook that shouldn't be there. I'm in document review hell. The partner is blah, blah, blah. And so my rule, I have several rules, but my rule is assume with Facebook that the wrong people will see it. I also encourage you not to have any professional contacts as friends on Facebook. Send them to LinkedIn. And finally, and most importantly, and this goes for any communication that you have as a lawyer, you need to stop and think about the impact that the communication will have on the other party. Before you enter a billing entry of what you did, think about how the client will react to that before you speak up in a meeting, and certainly before you post something on Facebook. Think about the impact that it will have and think, is there a better way to say this, or should I say this at all? There used to be this product called Internet Shame Insurance, and it would pop up a little warning before you started to post something to Facebook, and it would say, do you realize all, 10 gazillion people can see this? Well, that product doesn't exist anymore, but that means it's on you to stop and think before you post.